This week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about handhole gaskets. These two handhole gaskets are very similar in that they're both 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 by half, but there's an important difference. One is an OB or oblong gasket, and one is an E or elliptical gasket. It's really important that we include those letters when we order these because they're not exactly interchangeable. We can force the wrong handhole on, but it's not going to fit like an original. There is the correct elliptical handhole. Here is the oblong handhole. Now you can see we can force that on there, and we may be even able to get it to seal up in the boiler, but there's a good chance because we're not on that gasket surface fully that that's going to develop a leak and cause a problem. So just want to make sure we get the OB or the E.